the night I can't forget, the night they invented disco. When the band began to play, violins jumped up to say. That's the night I can't forget, the night they invented disco. All the rock bands had to fly. Guitar George was getting high. Melody, harmony, dance with me, 'cause it's disco, disco, more and more. Take the floor, count to 4, and it's disco, disco. That's the night I can't forget, the night they invented disco. As the girls began to sing, the whole damn place got into swing. Melody, harmony, dance with me, 'cause it's disco, disco, more and more. Take the floor, count to 4, and it's disco, disco. That's the night I can't forget, the night they invented disco. Just to compliment the sound, come on, put his foot right down.
Electronic music, charm in Philly. Something about this place. I realized there's something wrong when I saw a duck with a top hat on, and a bunch of dames from gay Paris demanded to coucher with me. Some guys came in from outer space and said they'd like to buy the place. The contact man from Noah's Ark was looking for a place to park. Slip, slide, switchback ride. Who's that saying that the music died? The music makers took their chance when all the world got up to dance. New York sound, LA sound, Paris sound, Munich sound, Italian sound, London sound, Parsing sound. The tape machines are rolling and the reels wheel round. Do the frog, do the bump, make connections with your rump. Do the dog do you, stomping on the table like a kangaroo. To pay your dues, just write a check for pink champagne in your discotheque. To be a member, leave your seat, get on the floor and move your feet. Disco music has been planned for everyone to understand. And every time the beat grabs you, then you invented disco too.